Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech Online. Today we are discuss the most important MCQ on topic food chemistry. It is useful for those students are preparing the FSSAI CBT 2 exam and state FSO. So let's start. Which mineral is abundantly present in ragi? A. Calcium, B. Iron, C. Magnesium, D. Phosphorus. The answer is A. Calcium. Which one of the following chemicals has been associated with chemical food poisoning? A. Lead, B. Iron, C. Calcium, D. Phosphorus. The answer is A. Lead. Yellow color vegetable are rich source of A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin A and C, D. Vitamin E. The answer is A. Vitamin A. Chili are rich source of A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin A and C, D. Vitamin E. The answer is B. Vitamin C. The limiting amino acid in green vegetable is A. Arginine, B. Lysine, C. Methionine, D. Tryptophan. The answer is B. Lysine. The which best explain why we should eat antioxidant? A. Reduce the oxidation of molecule. B. Make our hair shine. C. Reduce aging. D. Allow us to see better. The answer is A. Reduce the oxidation of molecule. Richest source of riboflavin is A. Papaya, B. Mango, C. Bell, D. Coriander. The answer is A. Papaya. The first synthetic sweetening agent used was A. Saccharin, B. Saccharamate, C. Aspartame, D. Sucralose. The answer is A. Saccharin. Tocopherol is example of A. Anti-caking agent, B. Antioxidant, C. Flavoring agent, D. None of these. The answer is B. Antioxidant. Which is the precursor of ethylene? A. Tryptophan, B. Methionine, C. ABA, D. IAA. The answer is B. Methionine. Naturally occurring dash play a role in food coloring. A. Enzyme, B. Pigment, C. Sugar, D. Carbohydrate. The answer is B. Pigments. Alcohol supply about dash calories per gram. A. 6, B. 9, C. 8, D. 7. The answer is D. 7. Low fat 1% chocolate milk has dash gram of carbohydrate. A. 15, B. 32, C. 26, D. 11. The answer is C. 26. Identify the complex carbohydrate that cannot be digested. A. Fiber, B. Sugar, C. Cellulose, D. Fat. The answer is A. Fiber. Fiber is important in dash function. A. Bowel, B. Muscle, C. Stomach, D. Skeletal. The answer is A. Bowel. Carbohydrates are composed of dash and dash. A. Carbon, water, B. Zinc, aluminum, C. Hydrogen, oxygen, D. Gold, calcium. The answer is A. Carbon, water. Three of the following minerals and vitamins may be involved in anemia of one type of or another. Which one is not? A. Vitamin C, B. Calcium, C. Vitamin B12, D. Iron. The answer is B. Calcium. Which of the following food is not a good source of iron? A. Meat, B. Eggs, C. Milk, D. Liver. The answer is C. Milk. A lack of vitamin B1 thiamine may cause one of the following deficiency disease. The answer is A. Beriberi, B. Pellagra, C. Anemia, D. Curacy. The answer is A. Bilberry. Which one of the following is a yellow crystalline and water soluble compound? Dash. A. Riboflavin, B. Niacin, C. Cal- cholecalciferol, D. Folic acid. The answer is A. Riboflavin. Which of the following is not function of amino acid from protein digestion in body? A. Energy production, B. Regulation of body process, C. Growth of body tissue, D. Maintenance and repair of body tissue. The answer is B. Regulation of body process. Which one of the following minerals is often added to water supply in order to help reduce the tooth decay? A. Iodine, B. Fluorine, C. Chlorine, D. Potassium. The answer is B. Fluorine. The point at which blue haze is given off from the surface of fat or oil during heating is A. Smoke point, B. Melting point, C. The flash point, D. Plastic point. The answer is A. Smoke point. Protein are made up A. Amino acid, B. Monosaccharide, disaccharide, C. Glycerol unit, D. Vitamin and minerals. The answer is A. Amino acid. Generally, vegetable oil are the good source of plant sterol, especially A. Beta-sitosterol, B. Campesterol, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The answer is C. Both A and B. Approximately how much protein does an average adult male require each day? A. 24 gram, B. 72 gram, C. 120 gram, D. 240 gram. The answer is B. 72 gram. The food that offer healthy benefits beyond their nutritional value are called A. Supplement, B. Nutraceutical, C. Probiotic food, D. Functional food. The answer is D. Functional food. Which one of the following provides the greatest energy value per gram of nutrient? A. Carbohydrate, B. Fat, C. Protein, D. Water. The answer is B. Fat. Which of the following is not function of food additive? A. Controlling acidity, alkalinity, B. Maintain the nutritive value, C. To maintain product consistency, D. None of the mentioned. The answer is C. The maintain the product consistency. On an average, 100 gram of cooking oil provide A. 100 calories, B. 300 calories, C. 600 calories, D. 900 calories. The answer is D. 900 calories. What is a sequestration? A. They are added to keep the food stable. B. From the completion with metal like a copper, iron. C. Added for color. D. They keep the food oxidized. The answer is B. From the completion with metal like a copper, iron. It is. Which one of the following additive are linked to hyperactive in children? A. Sulfur dioxide, B. Sorbitol, C. Monosodium glutamate, D. Tartrazine. The answer is C. Monosodium glutamate. Which additive are used for the purpose of restoring nutrient lost during degradation during production? A. Nutritional additive, B. Processing agent, C. Preservative, D. Sensory agent. The answer is A. Nutritional additive. Milk is not a good source of A. Calcium, B. Phosphorus, C. Protein, D. Fiber. The answer is D. Fiber. Which type of additive are required in foods containing fat and oil to prevent transitivity? A. Preservative, B. Emulsifier. C. Solvent. D. Antioxidant. The answer is D. Antioxidant. In which one of the following foods are fortifying agent added by law? A. White flour. B. Coffee. C. Sugar. D. Sauces. The answer is C. Sugar. Dash is the protein in milk that contains all the essential amino acids. A. Casein. B. Gluten. C. A and B. D. Whey protein. The answer is whey protein. The food must contain less than dash gram of fat per serving. Be considered as a low fat food. A. 8. B. 6. C. 3. D. 7. The answer is C. 3. Which of the following is not a conjugate protein? A. Peptone. B. Phosphoprotein. C. Lipoprotein. D. Chromoprotein. The answer is A. Peptone. Dash is a micronutrient. A. Calcium. B. Water. C. Protein. D. Fat. The answer is A. Calcium. Example of typical homopolysaccharide is A. Lignin. B. Serpirine. C. Inulin. D. Starch. The answer is D. Starch. All fat are derived of A. Fatty acid and glycerol. B. Glucose. C. Carbohydrate. D. Protein. The answer is A. Fatty acid and glycerol. Nutrient requirement vary based on A. Age and gender. B. Regional. C. Food availability. D. Economical status. The answer is A. Age and gender. The enzyme which hydrolyzes starch to maltose is A. Protease. B. Amylase. C. Lactase. D. Maltase. The answer is B. Amylase. Which one of the following is not a food preservative? A. Acetic acid. B. Propanic acid. C. Butyric acid. D. Sorbic acid. The answer is C. Butyric acid. Which of the following is non-reducing sugar? A. Fructose. B. Glucose. C. Mannose. D. Sucrose. The answer is D. Sucrose. Which amino acid is not essential in diet? A. Tyrosine. B. Tryptophan. C. Phenylalanine. D. Lysine. The answer is A. Tyrosine. Amino acids are used as food additive for the which of the following reason? A. As a natural antibiotic. B. As a natural growth inhibitor. C. For nutritive purpose. D. As a antioxidant. The answer is C. For nutritive purpose. Which of the following analytical method can be used distinct the flavor compounds? A. Hydrometry. B. Near infrared spectroscopy. C. Polarimetry. D. Gas chromatography. The answer is D. Gas chromatography. Which vitamin is not found in a fruit and vegetable? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B1. C. Vitamin B6. D. Vitamin B12. The answer is D. Vitamin B12. What is the percent of sugar in honey? A. 42. B. 82. C. 65. D. 62. The answer is D. 62. For more video, link in description for daily updates and study material. Our Telegram and Instagram channel. Subscribe our channel. Share with your friends. Thank you.